Hello, friends. Today we will talk about one of the most interesting and most misunderstood suspension systems in the automotive world.
В автомобилния свят.
We are talking about Audi Dynamic Ride Control DRC suspension.
Ride Control. DRC, окачване.
It is found on all Audi RS4, RS5, RS6, and RS7 models.
RS4, RS6 и RS7. Прощайте.
What makes it interesting?
Какво е интересното?
These are not just shock absorbers. This is a shared, interconnected hydraulic pressure system that works as one whole.
Налягане, която работи като едно цяло.
We will show you how it works, why it creates problems, why it is often misdiagnosed,
Защо често се диагностицира грешно и
and most importantly, how it should be repaired correctly.
монтира правилно.
These are a front and rear shock absorber from an Audi RS6 C7.
RS6.
This is the heart of the system, the so-called central valve.
Нареченият централен клапан.
The idea behind this suspension is for the car to remain stable without sacrificing comfort.
Се жертва комфорт.
The DRC system counteracts all types of body roll.
Вид накланяне. Накланяне
Body roll in corners, forward pitch under hard braking, or rear squat during acceleration.
накланяне назад при много рязко ускорение. Как работи?
The front and rear shock absorbers are connected to a common central valve, which also contains the gas expansion chamber.
В който е и разширителният газов съд.
They are connected via hydraulic hoses.
Мъркуч. Този мъркуч
This hose and this one connect to the two inlets of the central valve.
на централният клапан.
When the car is cornering, the inner wheels lift while the outer wheels compress.
Страна, вътрешните колелета пропадат, външните се навдигат.
In such a situation, each shock absorber works on its own.
Всеки амортисьор работи сам за себе си.
And to prevent excessive body roll in a corner, stiff springs and stiff anti-roll bars are used.
Използват твърди пружини и твърди стабилизиращи щанги.
Which means sacrificing comfort.
Тук обаче не е така.
The DRC system solves this problem in a different way.
Начин,
The shock absorbers are connected diagonally. For example, front left with rear right or front right with rear left.
десен или преден десен с заден ляв. На диагонал са свързани амортисьорите.
That means with four shock absorbers on the car, we have two central valves.
Има по един централен клапан. Тоест общо при 4 амортисьора, отзад в автомобила имаме два такива клапана.
On all models, the central valves are located at the rear of the car, under the rear bumper.
Била в задната броня.
When the car rolls, the compression of one shock absorber pushes oil into the central valve,
Изтласква масло в централния клапан, който
which automatically, mechanically, without any electronic intervention, instantly
мигновенно
transfers load and oil to the opposite diagonal shock absorber,
диагонал и това по
supporting the car in this way.
такъв начин колата. Тоест
In other words, it acts like a diagonal hydraulic anti-roll bar.
хидравлична стабилизираща щанга. Автомобилът
The vehicle is hydraulically stabilized diagonally.
хидравлично.
The DRC system does not fight body roll with force, but with balance.
Аз баланс.
That is why Audi RS models ride comfortably and remain stable at the same time.
Но комфортно и стабилно.
With this type of suspension, we always have good weight distribution to each wheel, achieving exceptional road grip.
На теглото към всяко колело и по този начин е изключително стабилно на пътя.
So that I don't bore you any further, let's move on to the typical problems.
С типичните проблеми.
The most common problem on these cars is shock absorber leakage.
Тоест течащ амортисьор.
Next is loss of pressure in the system or uneven suspension stiffness in one of the pairs.
Или пък неравна твърдост на окачването в една от двойките.
Because, as we said, there are two pairs of shock absorbers, meaning one diagonal can have an issue.
Амортисьорите, преден ляв и заден десен, да не работят правилно.
In such a situation, a strong knocking noise is felt. If you have owned such a car with a suspension problem,
Който от вас е имал такъв автомобил, може и
you have very clearly heard the knocking from the rear bumper area, specifically from the central valve.
именно чукане в централният клапан.
New shock absorbers are extremely expensive, and for some RS models they are no longer available as new parts,
Предлагат като нова част, което прави
meaning that sometimes it is impossible to order new ones.
опцията
The option of replacing the suspension with a standard setup is madness, because you would destroy the true spirit of Audi RS,
RS и окачването на
and the vehicle's behavior would no longer be proper.
са адекватни.
The best choice is to repair the DRC suspension. Why, however, do people often fail to properly repair this suspension? Very often, Audi dealers or repair shops recommend replacing only the shock absorbers.
Там препоръчват ремонт на амортисьорите.
The catch is that here it is not correct to repair only the shock absorber,
Ремонтирате само амортисьор. Защото
because the problems are not only in the shock absorbers but also in the central valve.
защо? Всеки
Every monotube shock absorber has a gas chamber, a gas expansion chamber.
разширител
We have shown this in other videos. However, these shock absorbers do not have their own gas expansion chamber.
нямат собствен газов разширител, а ето тук има газовия разширител.
They use a single shared gas expansion chamber located inside the central valve.
Проблема
The problems with these shock absorbers are always in the guide. They leak through it.
протичане и в липса на азот или
Another issue is gas mixing with oil in the gas expansion chamber.
само амортисьори. Без
If you replace the shock absorbers without replacing or repairing the central valve, the entire repair becomes pointless. For the whole system to work properly, it must be completely blood of air,
трябва да бъде абсолютно обезвъздушена.
and the oil in the shock absorbers must be under high pressure.
Интересно тук е, че
The pressure is created by the gas chamber, which operates between 16 and 20 bar,
16 до 20.
and at the moment, the shock absorbers are empty.
Ето вече сме
We have already opened one shock absorber. Inside, it is empty. There is nothing inside except this rod and the working piston.
ето това стебло и работното бутало.
The main culprit for shock absorber leakage is the oil seal in the guide.
Амортисьора е водача.
We use an improved guide with a special oil catcher made from a special alloy.
Със специален прахоловител от специална сплав
The best thing about our guide is that the oil seal is replaceable.
масеният уплътнител е сменяем. Тоест,
In other words, everything is serviceable. This is a much more environmentally friendly and durable solution.
много по-надежно. Тоест,
With our guide, we improve the shock absorber and make it better than the original.
го правим по-добър от оригинален.
One of the reasons you have probably never seen a DRC shock absorber tested on a dynamometer is that
Сложен на диностенд,
the shock absorbers always work together in pairs.
заедно по двойки, свързани към
They are connected to the central valve, which keeps everything under pressure. For this reason, after we replace our guide and make the shock absorbers leak-free and healthy,
този амортисьор вече да не тече, респективно и този, те вече няма да
we must test them on the dyno stand before delivering them to the customer.
ги тестваме на диностенда, преди да ги издадем на клиента. За целта ще
For this purpose, we will connect them to an improvised single gas expansion chamber. I will show you now.
сега ще ви покажа.
Here is our improvised gas expansion chamber. Instead of the central valve, we have installed a gas expansion chamber with a separator filled with gas under pressure.
Е пълно с газ под налягане.
This is the solenoid that can change the stiffness of the shock absorber. As you can see, the graph is perfect.
Както виждате, графиката е идеална.
We now have a perfectly repaired shock absorber that does not leak.
Имаме и отремонтиран амортисьор, който не тече.
We will also run a manual test to show you how the stiffness of the shock absorber changes.
Стана амортисьора.
Because through the DRC system, body roll is reduced,
Накланянето, т.е. елиминира
but the actual stiffness of the shock absorber is not.
амортисьора.
Here we have bump and rebound.
И ребаунд. Сега с помощта на колегата.
Now, with the help of my colleague, we will send control to the solenoids and make the shock absorber much softer.
Амортисьорът много по-мек. Ето вижда се как
Now we will make it even softer.
Ще го направим още по-мек. Оп, сега стана много по-мек.
There, now it is much softer. So far, so good. Now the interesting part begins. When there is a problem with the central valve, the nitrogen escapes, meaning the entire system will no longer be under pressure.
Система няма да бъде под налягане.
To simulate a pressure drop in the system, we will reduce the nitrogen pressure in our improvised gas expansion chamber.
Нашият импровизиран разширителен съд и ще видим как се държи амортизатор.
And we will see how the shock absorber behaves on the test bench.
За да е по-интересно, ще го направим на
To make it more interesting, we will do it live. At the moment, we have a working shock absorber. Now my colleague will release some of the nitrogen from the expansion chamber.
който е в
In this way, we simulate a faulty central valve.
все едно има повреден
We run the test again, and we'll see what the graph looks like.
отново и ще видим каква ще е графиката. Чувате ли?
Do you hear the knocking? Do you see what happens? This is exactly what happens in your car with so-called knocking central valves.
Централни клапани. Защо ви го
We are showing you this to clearly demonstrate the necessity of a properly functioning central valve.
нагледно да обясним нуждата от изправен централен клапан.
Here are the two central valves from our Audi RS.
Audi RS.
As we mentioned, the gas is here. We showed earlier what happens when there is no pressurized gas in the system.
Или налягане в системата.
Here is one open central valve.
Един отворен централен клапан. Това не
This is the body of the central valve, and this is the main piston of the central valve.
е бутало на централния клапан. То стои
It sits like this and moves.
и се мести.
When a shock absorber compresses, the oil pushes the piston, which moves one way and then the other.
Мести насам, после натам. Така.
Inside the gas chamber, nitrogen is sealed under very high pressure.
Имаме затворен азот под много високо налягане.
Over time, the seal of this piston wears out and some of this gas begins to pass into the oil.
Ето това бутало се износва и част от тази газ започва да преминава в маслото.
That means the pressure in the gas chamber drops.
Газовата камера пада
All the gas goes into the oil, then escapes through the shock absorbers,
през амортисьорите
and the entire suspension system stops working.
да работи.
If you do not repair the central valve, and if it is not certain that the central valve has a proper piston with the required gas pressure,
Дадено бутало с нужното налягане газ
the entire Audi RS system will not work correctly, regardless of how much money you spent on your shock absorbers.
колко пари сте дали за вашите амортисьори.
One such shock absorber costs around euros 1,500 when new.
Цена за нов.
Imagine spending euros 6,000 on new shock absorbers,
За амортисьори
and they still do not work properly because your central valves are not functioning.
не функционират. Те няма газ в тях.
AirTec is perhaps the only company that offers you a complete repair with OEM level quality.
Може би единствената фирма, която ви предлага цялостен ремонт, качествен ремонт на ОЕ ниво,
In addition to the shock absorbers, we also repair the central valve, ensuring everything works correctly and as intended.
е изрядно и всичко е функционално.
We are nearing the end of the video, but we must mention something extremely important.
Изключително важно.
These shock absorbers are delivered empty, an empty shock absorber and an empty central valve without oil.
Масло, централен клапан.
After installation on the vehicle, the entire suspension system must be filled with oil under pressure using a special machine.
Налягане със специална машина.
Normally, this machine, VAS 6544A, is available only at Audi dealerships.
На Audi.
We are proud to say that we are the only company in Bulgaria, besides Audi, that has an original filling machine.
Освен Audi, които имат оригинална машина за пълнене и
It works with all Audi RS models.
всички видове RS модели.
This is the machine that completely bleeds the system and fills it with oil under pressure.
И се пълни с налягане под нужното.
Of course, we use original OEM oil from the Volkswagen Group,
Използваме оригинално ОЕ масло на Volkswagen Group.
so as not to bore you, we will show the exact filling and bleeding process of the DRC system in another video.
Покажем в друго видео как точно става процесът на пълнене и обезвъздушаване на DRC системата. Но това е всичко. Не е
That's all. There is nothing scary or complicated.
монтира, има как да се монтира, не е толкова невероятно.
The best part is that you receive original quality at a much lower price.
Най-важното, на ниска цена, на конкурентна цена, вие печелите ОЕ
You get OEM quality, true originality, and preserve the real spirit of Audi Dynamic Ride Control.
Dynamic Ride Control окачване.
I will be happy to continue showing you more interesting topics in the future. Follow us on YouTube.
Ще се радвам и в бъдеще да ви показвам и други интересни неща.
Stay with us, specialists in all types of adaptive suspensions.
Видове адаптивни окачвания. До нови срещи.
Goodbye and see you next time.
Bye bye!